Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you, step by step, how to change your PIX limit on PicPay. Adjusting your limit gives you more flexibility and control over your transactions. Let's get started. First, open the PicPay app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top corner and go to Settings. Then, select PIX or Payment Limits from the menu. Now, choose whether you want to increase or decrease your daily PIX limit, and enter the new amount carefully. After that, confirm the change using your security method, such as a password, token, or biometric verification. Finally, PicPay will notify you once your new PIX limit has been successfully updated. You can now make transactions within the new limit. That's it. Changing your PIX limit on PicPay is quick, secure, and keeps you in full control of your payments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching.